Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13020 Class 3 trailer hitch on a 1996 GMC Jimmy. For a better view of the installation, we will be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 15 to 30 minutes depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. Start by raising the hitch into position. Fasten the hitch to the frame with the included carriage bolts and square hole spacers by inserting them through the inside of the frame and out through the attachment point in the side plate of the hitch. Secure each carriage bolt with the provided hex flange nut. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Torque all of the hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. This completes the installation of the CURT 13020 Class 3 trailer hitch on a 1996 GMC Jimmy. Check out all of the CURT ball mount options and make sure to install the vehicle-specific trailer wiring harness for your ride. Thanks for watching this video. Now you can bring it.